Hello you guys, I'm going to help you out with your project for this week. I'm going to tell you how to do it, okay? So first of all, the material you're going to be needing. You need your iPad and the presentation that is in Drive in the Science folder, the shared documents in Science. You have there a speed, distance, and time file where you can find this presentation that we're going to be using for our project. The material also that you're going to be needing for the project is three different types of balls. I have only one ball, which is a beach ball, and I'm going to use a lemon, which is representing one type of ball, and an orange, another type of ball, okay? And you need masking tape and a measuring tape. And you're going to build, with whatever material you have, a ramp like this one. I'm using a box that I have here and a piece of cardboard to make the inclined plane, okay? Well, after you have all your materials ready, you need, after you have your inclined plane or your ramp ready, you're going to use a little piece of masking tape with your measuring tape to measure the three distances that we're going to be using. If you see in the chart, you will find out that you have a 10 inches, 20 inches, and 30 inches distance. So with the measuring tape, at the end of the inclined plane, you're going to start the measurement and put the first tape in the 10 inches, the second tape in the 20 inches, and the third tape in the 30 inches, okay? After you have that ready, your ramp with the measurements already marked down, then you're going to need this presentation. We're going to put it on hold and we're going to use a stopwatch, okay? You have it in your iPad also. So you go to stopwatch and put it in zeros, and you need the start button and the stop button, okay? It's very easy. What you're gonna do is take your first ball, put it at the beginning of the ramp. At the same time that you release the ball, it's gonna be rolling down, and you're gonna try to stop it as fast as you can, passing through the 10 inches. And then you do it again, stopping it on the 20 inches, and then do it again, stopping it on the 30 inches. And we're gonna be recording the data each one by each one, okay? So what you do is you put start. I'm gonna put it this way so I can see it. I push the start button, let it go, and it passes, and I put stop. My 10 inches measurement of speed of seconds was 0.66. So that's what I'm gonna record again. Now we go to the presentation that you have, this one. I'm gonna record in here. Let me just write it and show you. As you know, in the presentations that you have been seeing in the videos, speed equals the distance divided by the time. So I need to write in here the distance. I'm measuring 10. This is my 10 inches. Divided, I put a slash, and the measurement was 0.66 seconds. So I'm going to put it just like that. 10 divided by 0.66. Just like that, okay? And I'm going to record again all the information with the same lemon. I'm still with the same one. Here it says it's a tennis ball. I'm using a lemon instead. You're going to record also the three types of balls that you're using. So here I would put lemon and then the speed of 10 inches. And then I record again, slide it again, stopwatch. It tells me, I don't know, for example, 1.15. So I record 20 slash 1.15, if that's what it was. And then for the 30 seconds. And so on you're gonna do for each one of the balls, okay? After you do all the recording of this information, you're gonna go to the second slide, which is the speed. How do you get the speed? Dividing the information that we put in this one. So if we divide 10 divided by 0.66, you can use your calculator, and let's say, I'm just giving a wild guess, it is 17. So I'm gonna put here, I changed my information, well, this one because I did it before, but the information I got was, for example, 17, and it's always gonna give you like a decimal. So we're gonna leave 1. If it was 17.86, you just put 17.8, okay? 1 decimal in the tens place. This is the answer of the first chart, which is 10 divided by 0.66. I divided and I put the answer with 1 decimal. After I finish filling out the information in the data, first here, by doing the project, then here just dividing them. And the third slide would be my bar graph. The bar graph here in Keynote is really easy. You just have to click on it and click where it says Edit Data. It appears another window like this one, and you're gonna fill in the information from the speed slide. You put it in for the tennis, the plastic, and the small baby ball, and you put your information here with only the answer already with the speed. So you can see it after you click done, you will see your bar graph already with the information graphed. Okay, that's the idea. And finally, you're gonna answer these 3 questions to conclude your project. When you're done this, you can send it to Google Classroom. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate in asking me. Please send me a message and I can answer your doubts. Thank you guys, bye.